Hi, welcome to Robotics channel. I'm Naili. We will continue from the last lesson. In this video, you will learn how to use resources utilities such as pathway area and idle location. Go to e-catalog under PM resources utilities, find the idle location and insert to the 3D world. You can rotate it if you want. To connect the idle location to the resources, depending on what resource you want, in this case I want it to connect to the human. So click on the human transport controller, open interfaces, go to idle charging location and select the idle location. Same as before, it will turn green when it is connected. Close it. Next, find the pathway area. You can change its properties. Let's change the width to 1000 and put it in between the second conveyor and the sync process. Use the same method to connect the pathway to the resource. In this case, I want the mobile robot to use the pathway. Select the mobile robot transport controller, click interfaces and choose pathway. Then connect it to the pathway. Now all the resources are connected to their utilities. Try to run the simulation. Just want to make you clear, I will change the limit of the feeder process to 1, so you can see that the human will back to its idle location when there is no work. Don't forget to change the feeder process limit again later. Run your simulation again. That is all for this video. See you in the next video about assembly creation. Thank you and bye bye.